Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up and we deep clean everything on this machine. We deep clean the hopper. There was a lot of coffee residue around here. We deep clean the brew unit assembly, the one that's located right in there. We deep clean everything inside, lubricated, replace the O-ring, and deep clean the shower screen of the machine. We also descale this machine and yeah, just give it a good clean up all around it and making sure everything is working fine. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Let's just increase the ground here a little more finer. There we go. As we were on the coarse setting, we're now in the medium setting, so you should definitely have a bit more crema. Just a slightly bit. There you go, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Good crema layer on top of the machine. Good job, espresso. Now for the hot water, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature. And now the steam. After we replace the hot water base in here. Be right back. Okay, now that we have one hot water on the tank, we're gonna be testing this steamer one. The machine will have to get the heat up first. Once the thermoblock gets to a certain temperature, the water pump will pulsate and it will push water throughout the whole system and into the steam one the way you see right now. And once it gets to a really good temperature, we're gonna see the full pressure of the steam one, which is right now. As you can see, nice steady steam, nice steady steam coming out of the machine, really good pressure, excellent temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Saeco working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.